Hi, welcome to Paul's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you an amazing kitchen tool which is so simple and so clever. I'm convinced it will revolutionise cooking globally. Before I first started to use the Smart Steamer Lid, I had no confidence in the kitchen. My cooking skills were minimal, to say the least. But thanks to the Smart Steamer Lid, 1 year later, I've got confidence in the kitchen. I'm creating my own recipes. I enjoy cooking. It really is so simple to use. It's virtually impossible to burn or overcook food. If I can do it, you can do it. And I'm going to show you how. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to be using just 150 millilitres of water and no food. I'm using a gas hob with a standard stainless steel saucepan with its own lid and of course the Smart Steamer Lid. This will allow me to show you how and why the Smart Steamer Lid produces such dynamic results. It uses less water, less energy and less cooking time over the conventional way we cook with a saucepan today. So I pour the water in and then place our Smart Steamer Lid on the saucepan. And you can use these little tiny handles, look, it allows you to lift on and to peel off. And if you put it across the saucepan so it doesn't interfere with the traditional handle, it sits snugly over there. It's got a little rim that it locks down on. You put the traditional lid into that one and as you can see it fits nice and snugly. Today we are cooking on gas, but this works perfectly on electric and induction. So while this boils away, it's going to allow me to explain to you all the benefits of the Smart Steamer Lid. Now normally when we boil food we submerge it in water and it takes 4 times more energy to bring the water to the boil. With the Smart Steamer Lid it's so much faster because we use so much less water. And as you can see, it's now coming up to boiling point. Steam is escaping from the lid. That's a visual clue to tell you to come and turn it down to its lowest setting. And this is the brilliant thing, because then you can leave it for virtually as long as you want. You can get on with some other jobs in the kitchen. And you'll notice once you've turned the setting down to its lowest level, if you just watch it for a moment, you will see the lid, the pressure underneath the lid drop and the centre of the lid just lower itself down very slightly. That'll tell you that it's cooking perfectly. The temperature setting on the hob is 60 degrees Celsius, but the internal temperature of the saucepan is running at a constant 100 degrees Celsius and will do so for the entire duration of the cook. What's happened is the water and the contents that you're cooking is locked within the saucepan. This will allow the food you're cooking to cook up to 50% faster, saving you time, money and effort. So the Smart Steamer Lid allows the heat out but not the moisture, so it's virtually impossible to burn the food. So now you know how the Smart Steamer Lid works. Over the coming weeks I'll be showing you how you can cook meat, fish, eggs, beans, potatoes, grains, you name it, we'll cook it. I hope you can join me.